Okay then, today we have the GP01 Aqua type. Oh yeah, it used to be one of my favorite units to play, just running gun, spamming missiles. And yeah, it's just spamming missiles and beams, like yeah, it used to be fun. I don't know why I stopped playing it, it used to be one of my fun suits to play. But since we got the buff and projectile speed, and missiles and shoulder missiles, so that's definitely nice. So and more ammo for the beam rifle, so that's definitely nicer now. I just hope that I do well with it because it has been a while since I played. So faster projectile speed. I know I'm just taking a long way around, just a lot away. Two, get out of there. Get out of there, too. That's fine. That's fine. Hello there. Aha! Sucker! Goof that up. Oh my goodness. Them jagged jammers. Hi. Double dodge roll. Yeah. Missiles? Oh my goodness. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Woo! My goodness, my team's all dead. It's best to go up. It's best to go up. Is he gonna look? Oh my goodness. Woo! That's fun. That's fun. Have more beams, have more missiles. Oh my goodness. This is support, this is support. Hi there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm dead. Dead. Alright, then we'll go back in. No, we did die. Hello there. I'm taking this. Fuck you. Nice. Hopefully my team's doing okay. Hopefully my team's doing okay. The team's not doing too well. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Do we kill them? Wow. I'm doing well about my team, my goodness. Get high ground, get to high ground, get to high ground. Missile barrage. Oh. Nice. Oh, I must go swimming. Hi. 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 Leave! Ah. She's definitely doing bad. I'm doing well. Like, wow. Missile. Ah, that's not that close. But yeah, the def is definitely nice. The projectile speed is definitely nice. We didn't lose this one, but I did pretty well for my team, but my team kind of did. Like, wow, okay. But yeah, that was pretty nice. Good damage overall. Like, I mean, it's still pretty good. It's just faster now. Still pretty fun. Might come back to pick this up and play this again because, as I said, it's one of my fun units I like to play. So its projectile speed is nice for both shoulder and missile launcher. And the additional beam rifle ammo is definitely nicer now too, so that's pretty good. But yeah, that'd be it for this video, and let's move on to the next one.